case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2007, the Supreme Court heard the case of Soul v. Wyner, which centered on the requirement for a plaintiff to be considered a prevailing party in order to receive attorney's fees. The court determined that obtaining a preliminary injunction that is ultimately reversed, dissolved, or undone by the final decision in the same case does not establish the plaintiff as a prevailing party. The lawsuit began when T.A. Wyner sued the Florida Department of Environmental Protection over her plan to create an anti-war artwork featuring nude individuals arranged in a peace sign within a state park. Wyner was initially granted a preliminary injunction for her artwork, allowing her to proceed with her project. However, she was later denied a permanent injunction. Florida officials appealed against the preliminary injunction and the counsel fees award. The Court of Appeals upheld the counsel fees award, but the Supreme Court ultimately overturned it. The Supreme Court's decision hinged on the fact that a preliminary injunction is provisional and does not determine the permanent relief or merits of a claim. The court warned that allowing fee awards for such injunctions could discourage parties from settling or agreeing. Ultimately, the court held that Wyner was not entitled to attorney's fees under 42 U.S.C. Section 1988(b), as she was not considered a prevailing party due to her failure to receive permanent relief.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.